Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Well, i-DTC team eKaizer Chiefs ungihlekisile. Khona umfana i-young star eKaizer Chiefs uMakhubo owenze istyle saka Ronaldo. Thina amakhehla-ke siyamkhumbula uRonaldo eshaya le style. I think it was 2002 ku-World Cup laphana eJapan and South Korea, uKorea lapho nje. But-ke uyiplayer exciting kakhulu nawo uMakhubo. Sibonile ukuthi u-assistile. He came from iside lakwa-right, wabashiya wakwazi ukuscore ibhola kahle and then baliqedelela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So I mean that's a great publicity for yena umfana. Kusho ukuthi nje ukwenza isitayela so uyatrenda, and then mawutrenda igama lakho liyakhula. So uthola i-opportunity yokudlala e-TV kanje la i-country yonke ibukele. I mean hundreds and hundreds of thousands yabantu bakubukele bayakubona. So what a better way ukuthi ukhulise igama lakho. Kumele uze ne-style nento e-unique ngawe, because sometimes ungaba super talented but guess what, ungapromote-iwa to i-senior team abantu bangakwazi nokukwazi, but guess what, mawungeza nento yakho ehlukile compared to amanye ama-player le uMakhubo aze naye namhlanje. Yes, akusiyi-original into yakhe, but uyithatha one of the greatest football players ever in history of ibhola, i-former Ballon d'Or winner bafowethu uRonaldo. Yes, abanye abantu bathi style saka Mokoena because uMokoena uke wasenza le style, but guess what, sibuye eBrazil saka Ronaldo. uRonaldo wasithatha le style wasibeka emephini laphana ku-World Cup enze ey'bukwayo. So I mean yeah, when you give yourself i-publicity engaka nanokuthi abantu bakubone, you have to deliver, you have to back it up, you have to try and make sure ukuthi uyadlala. And then ngimnothisile ngithi let me pay attention kulo mfana because of i-attention vele nge-style sakhe sonke sesimbonile, and then wasiproducela ama-moments of brilliance. Ispeed isikhona, like ugood ngezinto eziningi. You can grow from le game le abayidlalile eSkhukhune United. Kaizer Chiefs create ama-opportunities amaningi. I mean i-man of the match boku-goalkeeper eSkhukhune United, which shows ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs i-dominate game overall. Lo goalkeeper bafowethu wenze 12 saves. Kaizer Chiefs ibe namalokhunjana nama-13 shots on target masibala ne-goal, but-ke amanye wasave wonke ugoalkeeper. Overall iKaizer Chiefs izamile ukuza phambili bafowethu, noma ngithi ukuya phambili ishaye kawu-23 kodwa ikore kanye. So i-dominated overall. I think they have to fix lento leya final third. But yeah, Makhubo is one for the future. Omunye ngimbonile uMendes bafowethu. Yes, uMendes umlungu obuya le, I think ubuya e-Europe because ubeka la ku-Kaizer Chiefs waya e-Europe, but manje sebuyile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. He's a good player, but into elekayo kuba abelungu abadlala ibhola abanayo aggression. The aggression part is very important. If you don't have aggression, you won't succeed, especially ku-senior level. You need some sort of aggression ukuthi ukwazi ukucompete ku-African football or ku-South African football. If utamatisi ngeke kulunge bafowethu. If utamatisi njengathi, thatha ama-video ku-YouTube. Danke bafowethu. But yeah, ilanga lanamhlanje la kaMakhubo uhlakaniphile umfana ukuthi akwazi ukuzimaketha, ukuthi abantu abaningi bakwazi ukumbona. Simfisela inhlanhla going forward. Danko.